KRMN stock tomorrow. Is it a buy? Let's see where is Karman Holdings stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Yeah, like today is the first trading day that I'm seeing this being listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So hooray. And with the limited data that we have, obviously we're going to talk about it. But context, I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors over the last 4 years, done 35,000 videos and figured out what's worked for me, what's not. KRMN for me is just like a very, yeah, you can see like just a very new, ticker. It's sitting at 29 at the moment. Karman Holdings valued at nearly 4 billion a share jump in New York Stock Exchange. So it's definitely a good value ticker. From a daily swing trade perspective, in my eyes, this is still looking to climb. Again, that's just my 2 cents. But I'm now obviously going to continue to get involved, or just even get involved in the first place, unless I see a little pullback and then my rules being met. Like, the timing should be fine, and also the rules should be met. If they're not, then I have no idea taking it up. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.